Welcome to Goodwe Training Series. Today we will take you through the ESA 3 to 10 kilowatts unboxing and installation. Unboxing. In the ESA 3 to 10 kilowatt series box, there are adjustable feet, PV terminals, communication cable, Wi-Fi LAN module, CT, AC terminals, handles. Here are the components included in the accessory box. Here is the battery box. There are plugs and screws. Introduction of the battery. Take a look at the appearance of ESA 3 to 10 kilowatts from different views. Length is 800 millimeters. Width is 230 millimeters and the height is 300 millimeters. Side views of the ESA 3 to 10 kilowatts. There are many ports. Installation of the inverter. Take out the base. First, tighten the screws on the adjustable foot. Screw the 4 adjustable feet onto the base. Ensure the base remains level. Take out the anti-tip bracket. Place the base 35 to 55 millimeters away from the wall. Drill the holes using a 8 millimeters diameter percussion drill, ensuring a depth of approximately 80 millimeters. Use expansion bolts to attach the mounting bracket to the wall. Secure the anti-tip bracket to both the wall and the base. Remove the protective covers from the top and bottom of the battery pack. Take out the handles. Screw the handles onto both sides of the battery pack. Install the pack into the base. Screw the screws into the holes on the side. The plug is installed on the side of the pack. Secure the top pack to the wall using an anti-tip bracket. Finally, install the inverter. Secure both sides of the inverter with screws. We prepare the cables and make DC terminals. Connect the positive and negative terminals to the inverter side. Next, prepare the AC cables and make the terminals. Open the AC terminal. Thread the cables through the AC terminals and connect them to the corresponding L, N, and PE terminals. Then proceed with fixation. Finally, install the AC terminal. Connect the 2 prepared AC terminals to on-grid and backup respectively. Make communication terminals and connect them to inverters. Then connect the network cable. Finally, insert the communication module. Install the top cover and side covers from the accessories onto the inverter. Unscrew the side cover and turn on the battery switch. Click to start. The equipment is now operating normally. Configuration via SolarGo. Download and open SolarGo. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and pair it with the app. Enter the password 1111. You will be prompted to change your password upon your first login. Click Settings. Click Quick Settings. Enter the password 1111. Click Grid Code to choose country and region. Click Next to select the operating mode. Thank you for watching. For more installation and configuration videos of Goodwe training series, please visit our Goodwe community and stay tuned to our official account.